Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. I guess uhlathi usekayivile lento ukuthi no, you know what, sengishisela kakhulu. Uthi kuba ngaba wamukela uZethu. Kuba ngaba the whole event didn't happen. Uthi uthumeka yena kodwa umntwana wami nguwe wamhlutha inhliziyo. Uthi uze kufike to that fluting of the nhliziyo. Nguwe, you were so hard on him. Ngiwe, we wanted him to not have uZethu empilweni yakhe. And when I took those keys from him saying akashiya imoto lengiyithengile wena ukhiphe ikheta kwamniketa imoto. That car that caused an accident. Yo, akasakhala uThumza. Uzovala ney'ndlebe. She can't listen to anything uhlathi is saying anymore. Uma aunties is very, very upset. They got a new helper, but abamtrain kakumnandi usisi. I think she got there ngesikhathi esirong because u-auntie uyashisa. U-auntie uyashisa, uNonxebo came to check ukuthi how is she doing, and she was like, bakuthumile. They sent you to come and check up on me, ungikhamise down so that ngizovuma yonke, anything and everything that they want from me. I guess I'm very, very busy. Goduka. Hayibo. And I had a call with Azande. Nomalume wakhe Azande was just telling them that he's coming back tomorrow. And yeah, now Matindo Jina, it sounds like it's Yahlangana. And now he's going to use his contacts from the US and everything. And they were like, okay, Grand Sharp. They didn't tell him what is going on. And Uzoleka was, Yazin, you are my husband. You're not supposed to just stand there and not defend me as a person. You're supposed to defend me as my husband. I'm not going to that meeting that you're talking about if Bazo Cheka is Dimasami and when you're gonna sit there and be quiet and not say anything about it. And Ngizola, if it needs me to fight, I will fight even harder. Your aunt should know that because when I come, I will come gun blazing. Lazarus was like, hey, my daughter. This is calm. This is here. And uMawalandle still wants uZondo to go and check uLwandle. Kodwa samile uthi mina I raised umfana. The man that he turned out to be angmazi, and I don't know how to do that. It's not gonna be an easy task, but I will try my level best. Ngifike there, but it's not gonna happen today, tomorrow, or kanjani. Kodwa it's gonna happen. Believe me, kuleyoke. Uma Lwandle wants to know what is Lwandle's position kule Zondo text when he comes back, because obviously he's gonna be blacklisted. No one is gonna hire him to work for them because now seeing criminal records and all that. Kodwa uZondo still gonna answer for that. UNonxebo wants to know this whole change, this whole legacy thing, this whole thing that they wanna implement, is it worth risking a family unit, risking the whole thing that has been going on, which has been so good for them, and it feels so warm. Kodwa abanampendulo. By surprise, they went to that meeting, but by surprise, Azande was like, ngikhona. And the mother was like, wait, what? I thought that you were coming tomorrow. And he was like, no, I got a lift from my friend who has a private jet. And guess what? He has business. I convinced him because since I'm going to be the new leader, things are going to look bright, shining bright like a diamond for the whole family. And he was like, yo, I'm on it. I'm on it. Yes, one, I'm going to be part of it. But when the meeting happened, he found out that he's no longer going to be the leader. Umakoti Wagan is going to be the CEO, and the companies are going to be merged to be one thing. So, Jay and Jane Dabayak should be. You are shocked the hell. Sanborn. I think that the way they delivered in Zabaku Azande, it was painfully and very, very harsh. Okay, I know that my aunties have found out very hard now, but when she was delivering it, I feel like she should have found like a way that works. Yeah, one that would make maybe it is. Because now I feel like this thing is a good thing, right? This whole measuring, like we see, they're gonna measure like this company is gonna be under this one and all that and all that. But if they can work together, Bona as a family, and try to find a way that's gonna work for each and every one of them, so that that they feel like they're entitled to. Because I think Lazarus has done a lot of work. He's tired now. Even Naguyona Kusala Tech has no longer like his fingers are no longer there. He's just like there but he's no longer there. So I think that he's someone who's not gonna uh, want to put his fingers kakulu, and because he loves Azande and he feels like it's the right thing for them to do to give that to Azande. I think he yena can sacrifice himself and say that I don't want to be part of this. You can have a kusel and put it under, and then someone would be CEO of this, and then this and that and that. Meaning cool, just like go to like a serious meeting that needs like serious people to handle it and all that. They can like seriously, they're very, very brilliant together as a family. If they can sit down and find a way of making it work for all of them so that the people that want to be in charge can get the position that they want and they can make it work. I think it could work. But manje, because Auntie spent a lot of years and Azand and I spent a lot of years thinking and imagining and planning and sacrificing and all that to that goal, it's not so easy for them to come to terms with that. And bayithatha ngendlela lembi from where I'm standing. I feel like bayithatha ngendlela lembi to the point whereby they don't wanna understand, because Azande and I one day would want to be married, to have kids, and I'd like to think that she has kids and all that. This is gonna benefit everyone, generations from now. We are born phambili. Why are they not taking it kahle? Why are they not like giving like these people a chance to say how they want to make this thing work? And lona lo asho ukuthi mina, this is the position that I want. If we can work around that and make sure it's okay, right, this is the position, and then nalona actual position yakhe la by 17 those who wanna retire they retire, kube right. Because I feel like this can really work. It's just that ngendlela bayideliver ngakhona, it's making it seem like they're trying to cut off certain people.